Generally, we're dealing with deeper structures that are causing these lower back issues. Okay, so one of the most commonly asked questions of people is, can chiropractic help lower back pain? And so to answer that question, I need to tell you what causes lower back pain. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is, what are the pain generators in the lower back? So most people have lower back pain, obviously, in this lowest part of the back, and that's where your last lumbars, you've got 5 lumbars, L1 through L5, where these last lumbars meet your pelvis. So L4, L5, and then your L5S1, which is L5, where it meets your sacrum. That's where people get most of their lower back pain most commonly. Now, what happens when the back hurts, or what is the pain generator? The pain generator generally from the research is that the pain comes from these little joints called facet joints. Now, they are not just hanging out here like just bones by themselves, but they have a capsule around them. And so they've got ligament and tendon around them. And when you strain one of those, there's little tiny nerves in there that tell your brain they've been strained, and that's what starts that lower back pain. Another major pain generator is your disc in your lower back. So your disc has tissue around it, like ligamentous type tissue, and when it gets strained, it tells your brain, hey, I've been strained, and your brain goes into an alarm mode. And that's a lot of times why you'll feel your muscles in your back spasm up. And we call that splinting. When some of these larger structures, these deeper structures have been strained, your body knows it and it wants you to stop. And so those are the main pain generators. A lot of people think that the muscles are the main pain generators, and they can cause pain. You also have a covering over the muscle called fascia. That fascia can cause pain, but generally we're dealing with deeper structures that are causing these lower back issues. Along with that, you can have degenerative discs, where the discs get narrow. You can have disc herniations in your lower back, disc bulges. All those can cause pain. How does chiropractic help the pain in the lower back? A couple things happen. When your body strains, or when you strain the joints in your lower back, your body wants to lock things down. And also just gravity in general causes your joints in the back of your spine to kind of get stuck, and where your movement changes. You're not having the proper movement in your back. So one thing chiropractors do is they get the joint movement going again so that your back is now moving properly. Another thing we do is we can take pressure off the disc so that the disc is able to draw some fluid in, and it causes the disc not to be sending that message that, hey, I'm having a problem. And so when we do an adjustment, these little joints are being moved, they're being loosened, and there's space being created in the joint and in the disc. That is the main way that chiropractic care works as far as helping lower back pain to then improve.